In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your laptop, tablet, or phone on eBay. This is a comprehensive guide tailored especially for beginners to ensure you start on the right foot and make the most out of your sale. Before diving into the sale process, the very first thing you need to do is back up your device. Whether you're using iCloud, Google, or an external drive, securing your data is crucial. It safeguards your personal information and resets the device for a new user, offering them a fresh start with your gadget. Next, you need to check the market value of your device. This involves heading over to eBay and searching for the exact model of your gadget. For example, you could search for something like iPhone 13 Pro 128GB. Once you have your search results, scroll down to find the section for sold items. This helps you see what your device has actually sold for recently, rather than just viewing what sellers hope to get. This insight will inform your pricing, ensuring it's both competitive and realistic. Once you've settled on a fair market value, it's time to clean up your device and capture some high quality photos. Wipe down your gadget using a microfiber cloth to make it look its very best. Snap clear, well lit photos from every angle. Capture the front screen, back casing, charging port, and any visible damage such as scratches or dents. If you have accessories like chargers, the original box, or cases, include photos of these as well, as they add value to your listing. A compelling title is your first chance to grab a buyer's attention. A title like MacBook Air M2 256GB, excellent condition plus charger, works well. Next, craft a detailed and honest description of your item, including the brand, model, color, and specifications like RAM, storage, and screen size. For phones, mention if it's unlocked or locked to a carrier. It's helpful to note the battery life status if known. Clearly state the condition of the device as new, like new, used, or for parts only, and list all the accessories you'll include. If there are any issues like scratches, screen burn, or keyboard problems, be upfront about them. Choosing the right selling format is essential. Consider the buy it now option for phones and tablets that have a set market value. This provides a clear price for buyers to purchase instantly. Alternatively, the auction format can be suitable for older devices or those with an uncertain value, allowing the market to drive the final price. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to make your sale on eBay, ensuring a smooth transaction and a satisfied buyer. Happy selling!